I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to hide grid lines in Google Sheets. Grid lines are great for organizing data, but sometimes they can make your spreadsheet look cluttered, especially when you're trying to highlight specific information or make your data visually appealing. By hiding grid lines, you can focus attention on your key data points, make charts and graphs stand out more, and create a cleaner, more professional appearance for your sheets. Step 1. Open the Google Sheets document where you want to hide grid lines. Step 2. Click View in the menu along the top of the screen to open a menu. Step 3. Click Show in this menu to open a submenu, and then click Grid Lines to remove the checkmark next to that option. The menu will close and you'll see the grid lines are removed from your Google Sheets spreadsheet. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.